and I bought a couple of jumpers and a few shirts just to make sure it's a comfortable night's sleep. But the motorcycle gear as padding was probably the best idea. Here's my window. If we just look out my window there, you can see the moon. I didn't really have any intention of making a morning video, but it was so cold last night. I just wanted to share with you my experience in that emergency sleeping bag. So just to give you an idea of how cold it was, the puddles here have just iced over, so it's probably about 0 degrees -1.